Our fellow Cebu fangirl group members, Ate Erin and Ate Judith, traveled to Manila yesterday, bringing a whole lechon from Ayers as our pasalubong for Kim and Paolo from the Kim Pao Cebu group. However, since Aya Paolo doesn't enjoy eating meat, he won't be able to enjoy the lechon. We'll think of something else next time. Maybe Squidward from SeaWorld. During the movie poster launch, Kim and Paolo dropped multiple hints about the real status about their relationship. The first question was about their Valentine's plans. And in the video, you can see Archie Kim coaching Aya Paolo on how to answer by suggesting he mentioned something about Kida Pawan.
What is your plan on Valentine's Day?
Ito po ang plan.
Well, on Valentine's Day, I'll be serenading the people of Kidapawan. Work muna.
That gesture says a lot, as only a real-life couple would do that. Kim even added that she's gonna open to receiving flowers.
So, sa 13, 15, and onwards, makakasama ko naman si Kim halos araw-araw. Parang yun na rin siguro yung Valentine's Day.
Yun na yun.
Sa mall. Kasama kayo.
Oh, love it.
Salamat po. Panibagong inspirasyon po ito para sa akin.
Don't worry about it, Dad.
Nasa akin na si Katrina.
Thank you for helping us out. Ano, kaya mo ba?
Maraming salamat at the Excellence Awards 2020 para sa inyong Outstanding TV Actor of the Year.
Pero mahal kita. Rakilita de la Girl, a.k.a. Rock Number 1 fan mo ako.
Best actor in the leading role is Paolo Abilino, Fangirl.
Si Victor ang totoong permanent nila talaga.
Hindi ko ginusto maging masamang tao. Sinasagat nila. I'd like to compliment myself.
Thank you for always believing in me.
Welcome Kim Chu to the stage.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ruben. Hello, thank you so much, sir. Please, you can sit separately. Now, of course, last but not least, we also have here Martin Escudero. Ayan. Perfect timing.
In the next question, they were asking about ghosting. Kim said that disappearing without notice should be avoided out of respect for the girl. But if the ghoster tries to come back, Archie Kim jokingly said she'll be the one to disappear next.
In connection with the movie title that It's My Love Will Make You Disappear, so do you think it's okay to just disappear in order not to hurt the person you love? For everyone.
Alam mo, tara na, mag-disappear na tayo. Natin kakayanin.
Alam mo po situational. Depends on the situation. Pero
ako naman, napaka-OA nang hindi magbibigay ng closure. Yung basta na lang magdi-disappear. Di ba yung lalaki, sobrang niyang nililigawan yung babae. Tapos yung babae naman nananahimik lang. Tapos biglang mawawala. Hala siya. Sobra naman yun. Di ba, hindi dapat nagdi-disappear dahil respeto na rin yun sa babae or sa lalaki.
Tama, pero paano kung biglang bumalik? Anong reaction mo?
Ako na yung mag-disappear pag bumalik siya.
Archie Kim's co-actors teased her, saying she got mad at them for constantly kissing on the set. Kim played along with the joke by asking Paolo, "What about us?"
Actually, nagalit si Kim kasi pala yung kiss namin eh.
Nakakabanas na rin kasi minsan eh. Laplapan ng lapla. Kasama kasi sila.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Ayaw ba?
In this video, Aya Paolo suddenly said to Archie Kim, "What I like about you is that Archie Kim stopped him before he could continue. Later she asked him, what was that? Which made the crowd burst into laughter.
Ako yung nagustuhan ko sa'yo.
Disappear po tayo.
Pinawisan ako dun.
Hanggang doon na lang. Ano yun?
They were also asked when they last took a gamble on love. Kim jokingly answered, just yesterday, but quickly took it back and laughed. Meanwhile, Paolo said he's still willing to gamble for love, but he can't remember his last relationship. According to him, everything after the pandemic is a blur in his memory.
Kung susugal pa ba kayo sa love, yes or no, and why? Tapos follow-up na question is, kailan kayo huli sumugal sa love?
Ano po, hindi po namin naiintindihan.
Kailan kayo sumugal sa love?
Ako kasi parang parang ang sugal sa pag-ibig, parang isa yan sa bumubuhay ng diwa natin bilang tao. Diba? Parang isa yun sa mga nagbibigay sa atin ng rason para minsan mabuhay, minsan liwanag sa buhay. So parang ako palagi akong susugal sa pag-ibig.
Ako naman, adventurous ako, kaya risk taker. Para at the end of the day, wala talaga akong pagsisisihan. Yes. Hindi mo naman malalaman ng isang bagay kung hindi mo susubukan. And I thank you.
Kailan po kayo sumugal sa love? Huling sumugal?
Kailan huli? Sa love? Kahapon lang. Charot lang. Sugal pa lang. Oy!
Pero yun nga, sinagot ko na kanina, di ba? Hindi ako titigil sumugal sa pag-ibig. Kung kailan yung huli, hindi ko na maalala. After ng pandemic, blurry na lahat ng mga alaala ko. Pero ang importante susugal. Willing pa rin sumugal.
Alright.
These are tickets.
For the?
My Love Will Make You Disappear movie. Yeah, tickets.
For the Directors Club. My Love Will Make You Disappear black screening on March 26th. Okay, it's a date. Please watch My Love Will Make You Disappear on March 26th.